So guys, CapCut just did this crazy update. They integrated text to image model, which can generate pictures for you just like in MidJourney or Leonardo AI, and it's pretty crazy. So right when you open it, it gives you some suggestion on what to generate. So let's check it out. I mean, I tried some before. I did 8K photorealistic portrait of Elon Musk sitting in a Tesla, but that's definitely not what you would expect because the quality is not there yet, simply said. You cannot compare it to MidJourney or Leonardo AI because, I mean, this is just the initial stage. I mean, they released it yesterday, so and they released it for free. So you can do as many generations as you like. You can train your prompting skills. As you can see, this one was actually the most this one was the best with quality 8K photorealistic portrait of soldier, and I really like this one. Let's upscale it and let's see. I mean, most of the pictures are, you can clearly see that they look like animated, but this one actually is pretty insane. I'm actually surprised. This one is the best that I've got so far, and probably the most realistic photo looking like picture. So that's actually insane. I mean, the fact that it's for free and this one is very similar to MidJourney quality, so I would give it a shot. And it's actually insane that you have this integrated within CapCut application. So I don't think it's accessible on PC. I think you can access it only through mobile app so far. But when you are doing some short form editing on your mobile, this is pretty convenient because you now don't have to switch between apps, and you can download it here and integrate it right into your video. So that's pretty spectacular in my opinion. Let's check it out. Yes, very nice. Let's change the aspect ratio. Boom. That's perfect, man. So let's do some other generations. Let's see what we got here. This looks very like animated. So let's try another generation. Let's say we want some photorealistic picture of a woman. So let's say 8K photorealistic portrait of a woman dressed in purple dress, sitting on a chair on a balcony, and let's say rainforest background, some key light, and 35mm lens. Let's see what we get. And don't forget to play with these settings as well, because here you can choose different aspect ratios. So let's go with this one, 9:16. We don't really want anime, we want general to make it more realistic and the highest quality possible, definitely. So let's see. Also, I'm not the best yet with prompting. I'm still learning. This prompt could be much more detailed. Okay, this actually sucks. Let's update it a little bit. But the rainforest in the background, yes, you can see that. But the face, not well put together. So let's say we want 8K photorealistic close-up shot of a Asian woman dressed in purple dressed. Yes, generate, let's see. Also, I think you can modify each picture. You can upscale it or maybe you can do some negative prompting, or let's see, modify. Aha, okay, this is what you can do. No. Let's say we want to regenerate. We want to regenerate this one. I mean, it's pretty good, but it's not the best. It's not that realistic. Yeah, I mean, this one was definitely the best. So I don't know what to pick differently in the prompt to make it look more realistic. Maybe you just need to regenerate until they spit out the best quality picture that they can do. However, I'm not sure with this one. Okay, this one is almost there, but not the best. Okay, so guys, I definitely recommend you to try and play with this, because in the future, give it like 2 or 3 months, their model will be well trained, because this is free for everybody. So, okay, this one. Okay, so once you upscale it, they definitely improve the quality of the picture. So that's how I suggest you should do it. So let's try this one, because you can see eyes on this picture are pretty like crooked, or I don't know what to say. Okay, they fixed it. So actually you need to always upscale the picture in order to get a better quality. So let's try this one, which is not so close up, because I really like the composition of this picture. Let's see. Okay, this looks actually very good. Wow, I'm surprised. Whew. So actually it's almost like 80% quality of MidJourney, I would say. You still cannot do in prompting or changing the backgrounds within the picture, or maybe you can, but I don't know how yet, because it's the first day it's out. So guys, definitely try it out, check it out in your mobile apps and play with it. So see you in the next one. If you have any questions, just let me know. I always reply to all my comments. So yeah, thank you and bye bye.